If you are ready to completely transform your space with massive, room-filling sound without cluttering your walls with giant, ugly box speakers, then you are in the exact right place. Today, we are diving deep into the ultimate audio upgrade, the Vaiyer Home Theater Sound System Kit. This all-in-one powerhouse packs a jaw-dropping 2,000-watt Bluetooth amplifier, 6 high-performance 8-inch frameless ceiling speakers pushing 300 watts each, a whopping 300 feet of speaker wire, and a fully functional remote control. Whether you want to build a mind-blowing home theater, upgrade your office vibe, or drop a premium background music system into a bustling restaurant or commercial space, this kit is specifically built to handle it all effortlessly. Click the link below for the best price, and let's talk about why this setup is an absolute game changer. The first thing that absolutely stands out is the design of these speakers. They feature a sleek, frameless look that flush mounts directly into your ceiling. Once they are installed, they practically disappear into the architecture, giving you that ultra-clean, high-end, high-luxury aesthetic. But do not let that subtle look fool you. Hidden behind those low-profile grills are heavy-hitting 8-inch drivers that pump out 300 watts of peak power per speaker. We are talking about deep, punchy mid-bass and crystal-clear highs thanks to their integrated tweeters. You get a massive, immersive audio blanket across the entire room with zero hot spots or dead zones. Driving this whole operation is the massive 2,000-watt hybrid amplifier. It is equipped with seamless Bluetooth connectivity, meaning you can pull out your phone, tablet, or laptop from anywhere in the room and instantly stream your favorite playlists, podcasts, or movie audio. It also gives you full control over your mix with dedicated bass, treble, and balance knobs, plus an included remote, so you never have to get up to tweak the volume. And because Vaiyer throws in a massive 300-foot spool of high-quality speaker wire, you do not have to make extra trips to the hardware store. You have everything you need right out of the box to run clean wires all over your ceiling. It makes the installation process surprisingly straightforward for an audio system of this magnitude. If you have been looking for a way to get premium, concert-quality audio that blends seamlessly into your space without breaking the bank, this bundle delivers incredible value. Do not miss out on upgrading your environment. Click the link below for the best price, smash that like button if this helped you out, and I will see you in the next one.